2, 1. Yo, what's up, guys? Today in this video, I'm playing the new lake map with Panvo. Say hi. Say hi.
What's up?
Alright, let's go.
Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Why are you leaving so fast?
I bet you guys are gonna make it fun.
You can't grab to like certain stuff. They changed that.
Yeah, I figured it out.
What?
I figured that out already. Is my light off? It is. Alright. Let's go. Let's do this, chat. Also, don't get too
Also
close
got a
to the
pet.
monster, otherwise it kills you.
I got a pet to protect me because I'm brave.
If they added hawks in this game,
If they added a hawk?
yes, if they added a like pets in this game. Let's do this.
So like,
Alright, if you someone instant kill it, okay, instantly kill it. I know the way.
where?
Come here. Ow.
Sorry.
Stop
Where are
going
we
so
going?
this way.
You know where we're going?
Yar, I do. Let's go. Yeah, this way.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh,
You killed it?
yeah, I killed it. Hold on, let me reload. Guess I'll hold on
Okay,
to
where do
it.
we go?
Come here. Let's go. We go this way. Go this way. And turn.
Got a pet to protect me, bro. Oh! Whoa!
I'll show you where we go next. Out.
Oh, sorry. Hold on.
There's also
I
different
guess
monsters.
that we can't. Yep, we can't grab the. I don't like that effect. I do not like that.
What? You don't like what?
Like how the grappler can only stick to certain stuff. I don't like that.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me put this in my bag. Go in my.
Like you, yeah? Look like what?
Yo. Oh. 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 Oh.
Hawk.
No! Bro, I died.
Wait. Quick.
What?
Wait. I'll stay here. You come back. Okay.
Alright. But no. 5.
I see a weird tube thingamajig, and it's like and there's like an arrow pointing to it.
Alright. That's so stupid, dude. I hate this animal company. They changed the grappler where it can't grab certain stuff. Then why? Why is it called a grappler if you can't even grab some stuff?
New sound effects.
Yeah, I forgot which way to go.
Bro, you led me here, and now you're lost yourself.
Well, I kind of remember.
I remember.
Oh man, let's your phone. Yo. Yo. Could you come back? I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. What if when I shoot it?
What type of loot is even? What type of loot is even here?
You think I know?
Oh, I hear gunshots. Did you kill it?
Yeah.
Oh, hey!
Yeah. Oh. How?
Don't fall like you're like a dum-dum.
Okay.
I think it's over here.
Where?
It's over here.
Oh, it is.
Man, do you remember the old times and when we played Animal Company? Like when we were still noobs and we were exploring sewers?
Yeah. Uh oh.
Shoot him!
Shoot, bro.
Shoot Cody. Shoot Cody.
Why is his name Cody?
Oh my! Want beef to pick up, okay?
Hold on, wait. No.
Oh crap! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Oh. I'm sorry. Oh, crowbar. I hit him on my fire.
I remember which way to go. Come on. Go this way. And then we
Nope,
go
not this way.
here.
Got a trusty. Oh, what's this? Oh,
Jump down.
wow.
Woo. Also, you cannot use a grapple in here. And look what happens when I do this. Yo!
What is that?
That means it's gonna come. What? So if you make any noise, like if you go on the floor, that makes noise. Yeah, look, that's the monster.
What? Ew!
I know.
Ew.
It can also climb. Ow. Ew, why is my blood white, bro? What the frick? My blood is white.
Okay, so how are we gonna get past? Have you ever gotten past this?
Yes. Oh,
How long?
just stay somewhere high.
Did you forget it can climb?
Just don't annoy the monster too much. But I remember, so come here, we go here. Wait, where is it? It can also hear you.
I think it's over there. What's this?
Yeah, we have to go over there.
Kill it!
Alright, man. Running away. That was my last book. Man, shut up. Shut up. I think that's the water, bro. Maybe that's
not the water, but I don't remember water making weird ass sounds.
yeah, I think it's the water. Yeah, I was like, but
Do you hear it scream?
it's like,
Collect some loot, bruh.
what is this, bro?
I don't know, but I'm collecting it for money. money. Uh-oh.
There's some.
Did you
Oh,
just
look
knock
over
my?
here.
You knocked my
How
shotty
many
off,
bullets?
bro.
How many bullets do you have in your thingamajig?
You, dude, where's my shotgun? Bro, you
Well,
lost
I
your
don't know
shotgun.
How is it my fault? I didn't even touch your shotgun.
It was right here, and now it's gone.
Well,
You shoot it. You have a gun, don't you?
I do not have a gun. Let me check.
Bro. I lost my...
Nope, not my backpack.
Now
Go look there. Go look there.
Now we only have...
Is it in your backpack? Check in your backpack.
I did. There's only ammo. I think I flamed it, bro.
I didn't even touch your shotgun, bro.
Bro, it was right here.
Hey, at least we have.
I'm out of here, dude. Oh my, yeah, they also know where you are when you make the sound. They know exactly where you are. Well, shut the frick up. Yeah, shut the frick up. Oh, loot.
No, I guess we have to go through the bloody hallway.
Also, it's not like the eyes.
Follow me.
These are not like the eyes.
Oh,
That's
there's
a dead
okay,
end.
so.
Look, it just damages you. You can touch it.
Let's look at that out. Come on. Oh no.
Revive me, bro. How?
I died.
Oh my. Bro.
I'm gonna make a video myself. I'm gonna make a video about myself.
You better post it, cause every time you see that, you never do.
Guys, with Goody, today we're gonna be playing Animal Company.
My hand is stuck. Okay. What?
My boy Hawkbeard got a new drip.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna be checking out the new Animal Company update. And you guys realize something? Yeah,
The entire.
map changed. And yeah, so
We're gonna explore.
explore it. And let's explore the new map. Yeah, you heard me. New map. Hey, let's go. What is this? It's a crap. Oh, you did that.
Alright, let's go chat.
Wait.
Oh. Should I become Skelly Man like you because we're cousins?
I don't care.
Where's my... Okay, I thought I was missing
You're
something. I thought I was missing something. Wait, do I have a backpack on me? Do I have a backpack?
Yeah.
Good.
I think that's going to be a lot.
Where did my
of
grappler go?
Alright. it's on you right there.
Sometimes I forget to,
No, don't tell me how I know.
Do you recognize that song from everyone?
no. I've never watched what you watched.
The Chainsaw Man intro.
Oh. Whoa. Chainsaw Man is not even that good, bro. Not gonna
You're
lie.
not even that good.
You know what's not that good?
JoJo Bizarre Adventure.
Don't say that. It's my favorite show.
You're too addicted to JoJo.
And you're addicted to One Piece.
shotgun tower thing.
Don't.
Oh, kill it?
Yep. Alright, you got a shotgun, bro? I gotta reload. I think it takes 2 shots or 1 shot, but it's kind of delayed. If it is 1 shot, yeah, that's so we can stun them. Moonstar. Do not use it, okay? It's this one. It's on through the wall. It's on through the wall. No! Kill it! Kill it! Help me!
Where do we go?
Just run! Just run!
I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I made it back.
Why do I actually suck? I shot it once. No, twice. It knows where we are. Dude, I shot it twice.
Get your ammo reloaded. But that. Whoa.
And I missed you, cuz.
Is this the...
It's 2 shots.
Oh, it's dead.
Yo.
Oh, it's a bear. Whee! I'm gonna keep this.
Alright. You could just buy the item. It's fine. I think that was the guy that was mad at us. Hopefully we don't have to worry about that guy.
Okay, I'm gonna get rid of it. It's kind of annoying.
He's what? Go.
Run.
You don't have to run. Just go. It's this way. It's this way. Wait, is it that way?
Okay. Oh, it's right here.
Knew it. Knew it. I know it.
Maybe if we're quick enough, we might able to get our ultra loot back. I'm in.
Me too. Alright, so
Oh, there's a big box.
can we kill this guy? Wait, should we kill this guy? Should we leave the miracle alone? Are you gonna kill him?
Watch out.
Oh, I got you. Don't revive, okay? I'll revive you. Alright.
Let's go. I came back from the dead.
Yup. I think it's this way. No.
Let's see what we get from the mystery box. Oh, we got a ray gun.
Yo, that's mythical. Come here.
Oh. We got a ray gun from that.
Dude. Hold on, just to make sure.
It's coming.
No, it is not.
Wait, can you damage it with this?
I don't think. Bro.
Oh, Robert.
He's not coming,
Oh,
bro.
It's right there. Oi! It's right there. Oh my! Oh!
He's attracted to noise, so I always stay up high. I told you he's attracted to noise. He's like the spider.
Oh. I don't know.
Come on. Come on.
It's a ray gun!
Sorry.
We have to go back for our stuff. Come on.
Well, it's probably already despawned. I would. Let's shoot it 3 times, I think. 5 times.
Come on, bullets.
Alright, let's go this way this time, because last time we went the other way we died.
Wait a second.
What? Alright. Oh!
I died.
No, I'll come back.
Over here.
Where's your body?
My body's right here.
Go! Oh. How?
Very, very low. Very, very low health.
What am I gonna do? Huh? Like, I shot a bullet at it. Go, go! Dude, why can it do that? It can just do that. Yo! Come back, come back.
That thing is so annoying.
Bro, it's terrifying too. I'm gonna gorilla tag.
Gorilla tag.
Gorilla tag, you're not slick. I'm on to you.
Why does this dinosaur have? Alright. You wanna put some bois?
What?
Put some bois.
No, chat. I wanna keep playing though.
Whee!
What are you doing, bro? What doing there? Look how fast I'm shooting mine. Oh,
You
I hurt my elbow. Ow. Ow.
I wonder if this.
Ugh. Yeah. All right, guys.
I
That's
got a
the video
big
today.
red flashlight.
All right. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. Please.
Guys, you bought it. You guys are about to get flashbanged.
Yeah. That's all, guys.